Hello, fellow developers. Today I'm going over the Implement tool. This is a very powerful tool. It allows you to take the feedback and discussions you're having about your code during your PR and actually turn it into code using the power of AI and Qodo merge. I highly suggest you come here and read more about this in the documentation. Now let's go ahead and jump in and see this in action. I've created a comment on my own code just for example's sake, and I'm going to just say implement. Now that I have done that, it's an inline comment. I'm just going to wait a few seconds and refresh the page. This will show the eyeballs. And with this inline comment, you might have to do this sometimes. And you'll see then you get the code implementation. So that will give you the example, and I can actually commit this code now. So let's go ahead. I won't give a comment right now. I'll just commit the changes. And now I've implemented the suggestions from the comment. Thank you and happy coding with Qodo.